Hi, welcome to our CS61B Project Zero M-Body Simulation extra credit video. Today we're gonna try to do something wild, crazy, and new, and then modify the files mbodyextreme.java and planetextreme.java, and we're gonna try to do something fundamentally new, and we're gonna basically for these gold points we're gonna try to replace two images that make the whole simulations way more fun than it was before. Not that it wasn't fun before, but yeah. The first thing we're going to do is try to replace the background of the simulation, and we're going to change this from a starfield.jpg to a galaxy.gif, so it simulates a changing background, if that makes sense. And the only part we're going to change in our code for this is changing the string for the starfield.jpg to galaxy.gif, the one that we downloaded. And the other thing that we're going to plan to do is change the sun, the center sun in the middle, to a picture of one of our favorite teachers. And then we're going to try to make one big simulations using these two test cases and the M-Body Extreme Java and Planet Extreme.java in order to make like this really cool picture of our favorite teacher going with the planet circling around him and going through the universe. But in order to do so, we're going to need to go to the Project Zero file. And then obviously in the mBodyExtreme.class, we're gonna have to insert two different images and replace the starfield and sun image. In order to do so, we download two different GIFs because that's the only thing that worked with this. We download galaxy.gif, and joshhug.gif, and I guess it's spoiler alert, it's Josh Hug, our favorite teacher. And I guess we're going to keep it a surprise right now because we want to let you see how it comes out to be in the simulation. But in order for this thing to work, oh, and by the way, the only code that we changed was the starfield.jpg to galaxy.gif for our strings. And in order to draw the background, everything else for the planet argument stays the same. But in order for joshhug.gif to show up instead, we need to go to the data folder in our Project Zero class and then go to the planets.txt, which is this file. In order to change the sun.gif, we replaced it with joshhug.gif, the name joshhug.gif, in order for it to simulate a picture of Josh Hug. And so basically right now we're gonna, without all the code modified and everything, we're gonna go to our terminal and try compiling it, and let's do it. Okay, so right now we're gonna have to go to the actual folder. Sorry, this might take a while. One more Project Zero. Okay, yeah. Right now we're trying to compile it to Java C. Sorry, it looks kind of blurry right now, but all we're doing is compiling the Java C mBodyExtreme.java and entering our test case, which is the Java mBodyExtreme with all those numbers, planets.txt. And then after we run that, we have our simulation, and here it is. I know it's like kind of weird, but I just thought it was really interesting because it's basically simulating our favorite CS teacher with all the planets revolving around him, and he's traveling through space through all these different galaxies, and we're basically simulating his wild journey in this CS world.